From Casey Grandpa Tech. We talk about tech, fun stuff, and much, much more. Hey, a lot of you have been requesting me to show you how to start live streaming, whether it be for your own personal vlog or a church or whatever. So I'm going to go over some basics, start off on the most easiest, and then work our way up in this series. So let's talk about that first. What are we talking? So what do you have right now to start vlogging or recording your church service? And that's your cell phone. Of course, I mean, you can hold that and get that and record the church service, but after a while your hands are going to get tired. So the second thing you can do is get yourself a cell phone holder, put the cell phone in it and record it and put it on a tripod. And either record or you can do that. I mean, it's kind of a simple and serious idea. And you say, why can't I showing you this? Well, I'm going to go further. And of course, this one over here is just a basic cell phone holder, but they have them where they have a hot shoe mounts on them. And then from there, you can attach a light, or you can attach a microphone or something like that. So let me take that one step further. Now the next step up, of course, is if you're basically just getting started vlogging, or if you want to record a church service, and if, let's say, in a church service or in a meeting, you're going to have the person is going to be moving. So what you can get, they come in by different companies. This one happens to be by Genie. I have one, and they basically what it is a tracker. You put the cell phone into it, and I did a review on that. You can check out my channel. And basically, you can attach it to a tripod, hook it up, put the app on it, put your cell phone in it, and you can record the meeting, the church service, or whatever, and it will track the person back and forth. Now, if you upgrade, now this one comes with a standard one, but you can get, and like I said over here, you can get a microphone for it. And that microphone, this particular one that I'm showing you here by Ronin, comes with an adapter. You would take this one off, and you could attach, it would have a hot shoot mount here, and you could put a microphone on it, and now you can be able to track the person talking or yourself, and that makes all the difference. So now you've got your own cameraman recording the situation. You've got a microphone hooked up here. Of course, that's a singular microphone. Now, if you look through my videos, I did a review on a wireless one that you can put on a lapel mic on the side, or you could hook it up with a side mic, and it can take up to 2 microphones. And you could hook the same thing, take your cell phone and record your church service, your meeting, or your vlog. So that makes it very, very simple. So I hope that's been helpful for you. Before we forget, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to bring in you part 2, and that's where we take cameras, hook them up through either a converter or a various other ways of going through OBS and such. And I'm going to explain to you step by step how to hook it up and how to make it work. But in the meantime, like I say, if you're just getting started vlogging, or if you want to record a meeting or a show or something, that is the simplest way to go. You don't have to hold it in your hands. It'll track back and forth whoever you set it to go to. You can put a microphone on there. You can put a light on there, and you are good to go, ready to go. So again, I hope that's been helpful for you. Look for part 2 on this, where I'm going to be going to cameras and more fancy setups on this. And if you look through my my videos, you'll see my review of different products that you might try using with this. So until next time, this is Casey from Casey Grandpa Tech out.